Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Shannon. I am a business owner, entrepreneur and YouTuber, and here on my channel I upload 4 times a week videos that are going to help you to grow your business, make money online and so much more. So make sure you hit that subscribe button. And in today's video we're going to do another side hustle video. All of these side hustles can be done in the UK and most of them can be done all around the world. But because I have mainly UK viewers, I do mention some UK ones that are specific to the UK. So stay watching this video to find out what they are. The surveys/online focus groups. Now I'm going to leave a website on the screen and down below that I'm signed up to and have been signed up to since I was like fresh out of uni and I was looking for extra ways to make money on the side. So you sign up and you let them know what your experience is, and then what they do is they send you focus group opportunities that relates to your experience, where you're based in the UK, what your income is, whether you drive and so on. And then they will send you emails for focus groups that actually relate to you as a person, as a consumer. So most of them pay about £50 or more, and a lot of them are actually based online now, so that's even better. A few I've actually gone to in person, so it depends where you're based, of course. But it's really good because you get your money paid fast and it's just an extra way for you to make income. That spare hour or two you probably could have wasted by just watching Netflix. Whereas, why not put that hour or two towards a focus group where you can actually make some money? Now, the next one is for those who actually have a parking space that they don't use. So if you are someone that has a driveway or you've been allocated a parking space with where you live, then you can actually rent out your car space. So if you have a driveway and you don't mind random people coming in and out and actually parking in your space, you can actually charge for that. So there is an app that I use as a driver called Just Park, and sometimes if I'm going somewhere far and I know that there's going to be no free parking, I pay in advance to be able to park in someone else's car park or someone else's space, and it's way cheaper than actually paying for like a regular car park. So a lot of people do this, and there's actually on their website, I'll leave it down below and on the screen right now, you can actually work out how much you could be getting paid per year if you were renting out your space within your locations. So that's a really good one for those who don't drive and you have the spare space there and you don't mind actually just making money from that. I personally, if I didn't have my car and I had a space allocated to me, I would definitely be doing this side hustle. Now the next one is YouTube thumbnail designing. So of course, every YouTuber needs thumbnails, and usually we need ones that really stand out from the crowd. And when you have money to invest in this as a YouTuber, a lot of people actually pay designers to create their thumbnails for them. So if you have a talent in graphic design and you study YouTube thumbnails, this could be a good side hustle for you. You could sign up on Fiverr or another freelance website, or just promote your services yourself by reaching out to certain YouTubers on social media. Show them the past thumbnails you have made. If you haven't made any for others, make some for yourself. Or even if you don't have a YouTube channel, just kind of mock up some YouTube thumbnails that you could make. And then if you land yourself a YouTuber that uploads on a regular basis, you could be making 10 to 30 to even 50 and upwards on one thumbnail, depending on your experience and how good you are. And then if you land more than one YouTuber, your money's just going to keep growing, and this is why I include this in the side hustle, because there is no cap to how much you can make. So the next one is for putting together Reels, TikToks and YouTube Shorts. Now, you don't have to be an amazing editor for this because there are so many apps out there that make editing really easy. An example of one is one that I use called CapCut. And within CapCut, you can actually add captions to your reels, to your short clips. And this is the style that is very popular for YouTubers like myself who do speaking videos. This can help to promote these speaking videos if you just put them into a clip and you add good captions and you make it very snappy, good music in the background. YouTubers like myself need this to be done, but it can be a long process having to watch our videos, kind of pick out what clips we want to put into the short, into the TikTok. And that is something that people are actually charging to do for YouTubers. If you feel like you can put together Reels, TikToks, and YouTube Shorts really quickly and make it really engaging and fun, why not charge for that skill? I would do a few of your own and then share that as a portfolio, sign up on Fiverr, or again, just kind of advertise yourself via social media to certain content creators, and you can land yourself a client or even a few clients and be making short form content for them. So that is another great side hustle that I would recommend for those who are interested in content creation, editing, and so on. Now, the next one is for those who are good with their hands, who are makers. Of course, if you are creative and you have a skill, you can sell your items and the things that you make on websites like Etsy or just via your own social media platforms to friends and family. I know people in real life that make customize key rings, journals. You can put people's names onto things. At Christmas, I know there are a lot of people that customize stockings for kids and put their names on it. And this is something that you can charge for. I know that the Cricut is a great tool for you to be able to do that. I will leave that down below as well if you're interested in how you can actually customize things. But I know there are also very like manual and handmade ways of doing it too. So that is a great one that I would recommend for my makers to do in your spare time. The next one is if you are good at design on the computer, graphic design, you could actually sell templates on Etsy. Now, I know this because I was recently putting together a new media kit for my brand, my personal brand, and I was looking for inspiration on the design. And what I did is I typed in Google media kit templates and a lot of Etsy links came up, and then I clicked on them. And then I realized that people were actually charging for templates. So they would create a beautiful looking media kit, even a business plan, even financial templates, and then they will sell those so that the person buys the template and then they can go ahead and edit the things that they need to do. So obviously some people want things to look a specific way, really pretty, really aesthetic. And although we have Canva Pro and Canva for this, sometimes the templates aren't to your liking and you may want something a bit more modern and different, and that is where you can actually pay for a template to be made on Etsy. Now the last one, you have to be careful with this last side hustle because with all of the hype around ChatGPT, GPT and AI services, which by the way have been around for quite a few years. I was using some alternative GPT things years ago, which I will be doing a video on because I know that ChatGPT is now full capacity. So if you're looking for an alternative, I will do a video on that. But the last side hustle is copywriting. So I know I struggle a lot with coming up with caption ideas, even hashtags, what to write in emails, what to write for email marketing, product descriptions for my website as well when you are trying to describe your product and to get people to buy. This is all things that you can do as a copywriter if you are naturally skilled and experienced in writing. You can offer your services as a copywriter. I will leave some websites on the screen and down below that you can actually sign up to make money from online writing. Even creating ebooks as well for people is something that a lot of people like to outsource. A lot of people who have businesses selling books on Amazon. But again, I'd be careful with that one because I think AI is going to take over that role for a lot of people. So that is my updated side hustles video. I hope you really enjoyed. Let me know down below which ones you may be trying this year. And as always, subscribe to my channel. I am on the road to 100k. We're going to hit 100k, we are. So definitely subscribe if you enjoyed this video and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.